Good morning, it's Steven here with Beyond Clean. We just finished up this beautiful 2020 Ford Explorer ST and we're waiting for the client to pick the vehicle up. So I wanted to just do a quick overview and show you guys how amazing this vehicle came out and what steps and what processes we did to get this finished. Let's go. We did a few things to this vehicle. First thing, after we washed, clay barred iron decon, we followed up with a one-step polish just to bring out the luster on this metallic gray. We followed that up with a 10-year ceramic coating. The coating not only went on the bodies, we actually did all of the windows, and we also did the wheels. A key thing that we wanted to accomplish was also the trim pieces, which are this area right here, which traditionally fades after everyday use and being in the sun. So we also did a trim restore on all of the black trim to bring out the luster. This is going to look like it came off the showroom, in some cases better. We're very happy with how it came out, and our client should be here in a couple minutes, so I am very thrilled to see the reaction. Come on by. This is Steven with Beyond Clean again. We implore you guys, come by the shop, check us out, and catch you on the next one.